morning, everybody. We will start up with the P block elements, that is group 14 elements. So let us discuss so that it becomes easier for us for the solving neat questions. And let us talk about the elements of this group. Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, and lead are the members of group 14. Naturally occurring carbon consists two stable isotopes, that is 12 and 13. In addition to this, the third isotope, that is 14 carbon, is radioactive isotope with a half-life of 5770 years and is used in for radiocarbon dating. Silicon is very important component of ceramics, glass, and cement. Germanium exists only in traces. Tin occurs mainly as cassiterite, SnO2, and lead as galena. Ultra-pure form of germanium and silicon are used to make transistors and semiconductor devices. Some important properties of group 14 elements. Let us discuss atomic properties. Electronic configuration. The valence shell of electronic configuration of these elements consists of ns2 and p2. Covalent radius. There is a considerable increase in covalent radius from carbon to silicon, thereafter from silicon to lead. A small increase in radius is observed. This is due to the presence of completely filled d and f orbital in heavier members. Ionization enthalpy. The first ionization enthalpy of group 14 members is higher than the corresponding members of group 13. The influence of inner core electron is visible here also. In general, the ionization enthalpy decreases down the group. Small decrease in ionization enthalpy from silicon to germanium to tin and slightly increase in ionization enthalpy from tin to lead is the consequence of poor shielding effect of intervening d and f orbital and increase in the size of the atom. Electronegativity. Due to small size, the elements of this group are slightly more electronegative than group 13 elements. The electronegativity values for elements from silicon to lead is almost the same. Physical properties. All group 14 members are solids. Carbon and silicon are non-metals. Germanium is a metalloid, whereas tin and lead are soft metals with low melting points. Melting points and boiling points of group 14 elements are much higher than those of corresponding elements of group 13. Chemical properties, oxidation states and transient chemical reactivity. The group 14 elements have 4 electrons in their outermost shell. The common oxidation state exhibited by these elements are +4 and +2. Carbon also exhibits negative oxidation state. Since the sum of the first 4 ionization enthalpies is very high, compound in +4 oxidation state is generally covalent in nature. In heavier members, the tendency to show +2 oxidation state increases in the sequence germanium less than tin less than lead. It is due to the inability of the ns2 electrons of the valence shell to participate in bonding. The relative stabilities of these two oxidation states vary down the group. Carbon cannot exceed its covalency more than 4. Other elements of the group can do so. It is because of the presence of d orbital in them. Due to this, their halides undergo hydrolysis and have tendency to show complexes by accepting electron pair from donor species. Reactivity towards oxygen. All members when heated in oxygen form oxides. There are mainly two types of oxides, monooxides and dioxides of the formula MO and MO2 respectively. Oxides in higher oxidation states of elements are generally more acidic than those in the lower oxidation state. The dioxides, that is carbon dioxide, silicon dioxide, and germanium oxide are acidic, whereas tin dioxide and lead dioxide are amphoteric in nature. Among monoxides, carbon monoxide is neutral, um, monoxide is distinctly acidic, whereas tin and lead are amphoteric. Reactivity towards water. Carbon, silicon, and germanium are not affected by water. Tin decomposes steam to form dioxide and dihydrogen gas. Lead is unaffected by air, probably because of protective oxide film formation. Reactivity towards halogens. These elements can form halides of formula Mx2 and Mx4, whereas X can be fluorine, chlorine, bromine, or iodine. Except carbon, all other elements react directly with halogen under suitable conditions to make halides. Most of the Mx4 are covalent in nature. Exception are SnF4 and PbF4, which are ionic in nature. PbI4 does not exist because of PbI bond initially formed during the reaction does not release enough energy to unpair 6s2 electrons and excite one of them higher orbital. You have 4 unpaired electrons around lead atom. Heavier members of germanium to lead are able to make halides of formula Mx2. Stability of dihalides increases down the group. Except CCl4. Other tetrachlorides are easily hydrolyzed by water because of the central atom can accommodate the lone pair of electrons from oxygen atom of water molecules in d orbital. Important trends and anomalous behavior of carbon. Like first member of other groups, carbon also differs from rest of the members of its group. It is due to its small size, higher electronegativity, higher ionization enthalpy, and unavailability of d orbital. Carbon can accommodate only 4 pair of electrons around it. This would limit the maximum covalency of 4, whereas other members can expand their covalencies due to the presence of d orbital. Carbon also has unique ability to form p-pi multiple bonds with itself and with other atoms of small size and high electronegativity. Few examples of multiple bonding are C double bond C, C triple bond C, C double bond O, C double bond S, and C triple bond N. Heavier elements do not form p-pi bonds because their atomic orbitals are too large and diffuse to have effective overlapping. Catenation. Carbon atoms have the tendency to link with one another through covalent bonds to form chains and rings. This property is called catenation. This is because C-C bonds are very strong. Down the group, the size increases, tendency to show catenation decreases. This can be clearly seen from the bond enthalpy values. The order of catenation is carbon is very greater than silicon, then germanium, germanium is equal to tin. Lead does not show catenation. Allotropic forms of carbon. Carbon exhibits mainly allotropic forms, both crystalline as well as amorphous. Diamond and graphite are two well-known crystalline forms of carbon. In 1985, third form of carbon known as fullerenes was discovered by H. W. Croteau and E. Smiley and R. F. Krull. Diamond. In diamond, each carbon atom undergoes sp3 hybridization and linked to 4 other atoms, carbon atoms by using hybrid orbitals in tetrahedral fashion. The carbon-carbon bond length is 154 picometer. The structure extends in space and produces a rigid three-dimensional network of carbon atoms. In this structure, directional covalent bonds are present throughout the lattice. It is very difficult to break extended covalent bonding, and therefore diamond is the hardest substance on the earth. It is used as an abrasive for sharpening hard tools, in making dies, and in manufacture of tungsten filament for electric light bulbs. So you can see the structure of diamond, which is tetrahedrally arranged. Graphite has layered structure. Layers are held by van der Waals forces, and distance between the two layers is 340 picometer. Each layer is composed of planar hexagonal rings of carbon atoms. CC bond length within the layer is 141.5 picometer. Each carbon atom is hexagonal rings undergo sp2 hybridization and make 3 sigma bonds with the 3 neighboring carbon atoms. Fourth electron forms a pi bond. These electrons are delocalized over the whole sheet. Therefore, graphite conducts electricity along the sheet. Graphite cleaves easily between the layers, and therefore it is very soft and slippery. For this reason, graphite is used as a dry lubricant in machines running at high temperature where oil cannot be used as a lubricant. Fullerenes. Fullerenes are made by heating of graphite in an electrical arc in presence of inert gases such as helium or argon. Fullerene is the only pure form of carbon because they have smooth structure without having dangling bonds. Fullerenes is cage-like molecules, C60 molecules, has a shape like soccer ball and is called as Buckminster fullerene. It contains 26 membered rings and 12 5-membered rings. A 6-membered ring is fused with a 6 or 5-membered ring, but a 5-membered ring can only fuse with a 6-membered ring. All the carbon atoms are equal and they undergo sp2 hybridization. Each carbon atom forms 3 sigma bonds with other 3 carbon atoms. The remaining electron at each carbon atom is delocalized in molecular orbital, which in turn give aromatic character to the molecule. This ball-shaped molecule has 60 vertices and each one is occupied by one carbon atom, and it is also contains both single and double bonds with C bond distance of 143.5 picometer and 138.3 picometer respectively. Spherical fullerenes are also called buckyballs in short. It is very important to know that graphite is thermodynamically more stable allotropic form of carbon. Uses of carbon. Graphite fibers embedded in plastic material form high-strength, lightweight composites. The composites are used in products such as tennis rackets, fishing rods, aircrafts, and canoes. Being good conductor, graphite is used for electrode in batteries and industrial electrolysis. Crucible made from graphite are inert to dilute acids and alkalis. Being highly porous, activated charcoal is used in absorbing poisonous gases, also used in water filters to remove organic contaminants and in air conditioner systems to control odor. Carbon black is used in as black pigment in blacking and as filler in automobile tires. Coke is used as a fuel and largely as a reducing agent in metallurgy. Diamond is precious stone and is used in jewelry. It is measured in carats. Some important compounds of carbon. Carbon dioxide. Its properties: it is colorless, odorless, heavy gas which dissolves in its own volume of water at ordinary temperature and pressure. Like all gases, it dissolves more readily in water when the pressure is increased, and this principle is used in manufacture of soda water and fizzy drinks. Carbon dioxide is easily liquefied, and a cylinder of gas under pressure is a convenient fire extinguisher. When the highly compressed gas is allowed to expand rapidly, solid carbon dioxide is formed. Solid carbon dioxide sublimes at -78 degrees centigrade, and since no massy liquid is produced, it is convenient means of producing low temperatures. Carbon dioxide is the acid anhydride of carbonic acid, which is weak dibasic acid and ionizes into. So it ionizes to give you bicarbonate ion and bicarbonate to carbonate ion. So it's a buffer system which maintains the pH of the blood. Solution of carbonic acid is in water will slowly turn blue litmus red, and when the solution is boiled, all of the carbon dioxide is evolved. Carbon dioxide, which is normally present to an extent of 0.03% by volume in the atmosphere, is removed from it by the process known as photosynthesis. It is a process by which green plants convert atmospheric carbon dioxide into carbohydrates such as glucose. But the increase in combustion of fossil fuels and decomposition of limestone from cement manufacturers in recent years have increased carbon dioxide content of the atmosphere. This may lead to increase in greenhouse effect and thus raise the temperature of the atmosphere, which might cause serious consequences. Second compound is carbon monoxide. Water gas and producer gas are very important industrial fuels. Carbon monoxide in water gas or producer gas can undergo further combustion, forming carbon dioxide with the liberation of heat. Carbon monoxide is colorless, odorless gas which burns in air with a blue flame, forming carbon dioxide. It is exceedingly poisonous, combining with the hemoglobin in the blood more readily than oxygen, so that the normal respiration is impeded very quickly. Compounds of silicon: silicon dioxide. Silicon dioxide, commonly known as silica, occurs in several crystallographic forms. Quartz, cristobalite, and tridamite are some of the crystalline forms of silica, and they are interconvertible at suitable temperatures. Silicon dioxide is covalent, three-dimensional network solid in which each silicon atom is covalently bonded in a tetrahedral manner to four oxygen atoms. Each oxygen atom is turned covalently bonded to another silicon atom. Each corner is shared with another tetrahedron. The entire crystal may be considered as a giant molecule in which eight member rings are formed with alternate silicon and oxygen atoms. Silica in its normal form is almost non-reactive because of very high silicon-oxygen bond enthalpy. It resists the attack by halogens, dihydrogen, and most of the acids and metals, even at elevated temperature. However, it is attacked by HF and NOH. Quartz is extensively used as a piezoelectric material. It has made possible to develop extremely accurate clocks, modern radio and television broadcasting, and mobile radio communication. Silica gel used as a drying agent and as a support for chromatographic material and catalysts. Kieselguhr, an amorphous form of silica, is used in filtration plants. Silicates. Binary compounds of silicon with oxygen are called silicates, but they contain other metals also in their structure. Since the negativity difference between oxygen and silicon is about 1.7, so silicon-oxygen bond can be considered 50% ionic and 50% covalent. The radius ratio calculated is 0.29. It is suggested that the coordination number of silicon must be 4, and from BBT point of view, we can say that silicon is sp3 hybridized. Therefore, silicate structures must be based upon SiO4 tetrahedral units. Next is discrete units or polymerize into larger units by sharing corners. So you can see just a silicon with four oxygen atoms. This is a formation of SiO4 molecules. Silicones. Silicones is a synthetic organosilicon compounds having repeated R2SiO units held by SiO-Si linkages. These compounds have a general formula of R2SiO taken n times, where R is an alkyl or aryl. Silicones are formed by the hydrolysis of alkyl or aryl substituted chlorosilanes and their subsequent polymerization. So this is how the silicones are formed, and that is all about this topic as p block elements.